was talking low like he knew where I stand. I watched the cedar bend, still it never breaks. Teach me how to move when the hard ground shakes. So I step where the moss grows thick, read the burn marks in the sky. Every thorn has a reason, every branch knows how to try. Live like the river, live like the stone. Take what the wild gives and make it your own. Live like the river, live like the stone. You learn by the weather, you grow by the road. Hey! I followed deer tracks home through the silver grass, found my old loud heart in the stillness at last. The heart cut a circle high above my doubt. I let go of the answers and breathe them out. So I lean when the east wind calls, and I bend when the frost comes down. What I thought was losing was the only way around. Live like the river, live like the stone. Take what the wild gives and make it your own. Live like the river, live like the stone. You learn by the weather, you grow by the road. When the roots go deep, you can face the storm. When the fire runs through, you can still stay warm. I am not above the earth, I am part of the song. With the fox, with the willow, I was learning all along. Live like the river, live like the stone. Take what the wild gives and make it your own. Live like the river, live like the stone. You learn by the weather, you grow by the road. Live like the river, live like the stone. I walk with the wild now and never walk alone.